spicy shrimp fettuccine. Look at it. This just looks delicious. Shrimp, the noodles, are all nice and soft.
It's recording.
Really? Hello friends. Welcome to Spicy Flavors. Hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to cook for you spicy shrimp fettuccine. So let's get cooking. For the ingredients we have shrimp, half a cup of egg soft noodles, 1 onion diced, 1 red bell pepper and 2 green chilies diced. So let's get them all together and make it look yummy. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to add the onions, red bell peppers and the green chilies. Don't these look colorful? Here I got shrimp, black peppercorns. If you like the pepper flavor, you could add a little more. Seasoning salt, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Now let's give this a good mix. I've got 3 days off, so I've got nothing better to do. Cooking is my hobby and it's just fun. This looks good. We could let it sit for about 30 minutes. If the pan is nice and hot, let's add a little bit of olive oil. The first thing that we do is we add the spicy shrimp mixture. You can let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Just make sure the pan is not too hot, it's on medium. Shrimp looks cooked. Now we could add the Alfredo sauce. Now we add the noodles since the sauce is bubbling. You may wonder why I'm not boiling the noodles. Thing is, you don't want the noodles to get mushy. These are egg soft noodles. You want them to blend in with the sauce. We can let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes with the top on. Wow, this is looking yummy, yummy. Let's top it off with some parsley with extra flavor. Wow, this is looking delicious. Guys, if you love my video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Look at it. Look at the shrimp. Look at the sauce. Look at the noodles, nice and soft. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.